Why is my check engine light on? Common causes and solutions. The dreaded check engine light is something every car owner has encountered at some point. It can be a source of anxiety and confusion, but understanding why it's on can help you address the issue promptly and avoid potentially costly repairs down the road. In this video, we'll explore the most common reasons your check engine light may be illuminated and provide insights on what you can do to resolve these issues. So before starting the video, please like this video. Do subscribe and turn on the notification to our channel for future updates. 1. Loose or faulty gas cap. Believe it or not, one of the most frequent reasons for a check engine light is a loose or faulty gas cap. A loose cap can allow air into the fuel system, triggering the light. Fortunately, this is an easy and inexpensive fix. Simply tighten the gas cap, or if it's damaged, replace it with a new one. After a few driving cycles, the light should turn off if this was the issue. 2. Oxygen sensor malfunction. Oxygen sensors, O2 sensors, monitor the oxygen levels in the exhaust gases. When an O2 sensor malfunctions, it can lead to decreased fuel efficiency and increased emissions. If ignored, it can potentially harm your catalytic converter, resulting in costly repairs. Diagnostic equipment can identify the specific sensor causing the problem, and replacement is usually straightforward. Faulty mass airflow sensor, MAF. The mass airflow sensor, MAF, measures the air entering the engine, helping the computer determine the appropriate air-fuel mixture. When it fails, it can affect engine performance and fuel economy, leading to a check engine light. Cleaning the MAF sensor or replacing it may resolve the issue. 4. Spark plug or ignition coil problems. Worn-out spark plugs or faulty ignition coils can lead to misfires in the engine, which the onboard computer detects and signals with the check engine light. Regular maintenance, including spark plug replacement, can help prevent this issue. 5. Exhaust gas recirculation, EGR valve issues. The EGR valve recirculates a portion of exhaust gases into the intake manifold to reduce emissions. When it malfunctions, it can lead to poor engine performance and a check engine light. Cleaning or replacing the EGR valve is often necessary to resolve this problem. 6. Catalytic converter problems. A failing catalytic converter can trigger the check engine light. If this vital component isn't functioning correctly, it can lead to increased emissions and reduced engine performance. Replacement is typically required for a faulty catalytic converter. 7. Vacuum leak. A vacuum leak can disrupt the air-fuel mixture and trigger the check engine light. Identifying and repairing the source of the vacuum leak is essential for optimal engine performance. Conclusion: when your check engine light illuminates, don't panic. It's your car's way of letting you know that something requires attention. Ignoring it can lead to more significant problems and costly repairs down the road. If you're unsure about the cause, it's best to have a professional diagnose and address the issue promptly to keep your vehicle running smoothly and efficiently. What do you think of our video? Let us know in the comments section below. If you enjoyed this video and want to hear from us again, be sure to hit that subscribe button before you go. Thanks for watching.